Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. Got some interesting stuff in today for our 10th and 11th gen Civic owners. So these are going to be RV6's rear camber kit. Now you're all used to camber kits, which are the upper camber kit, but this kit actually replaces the whole bottom arm. And your spring's going to mount right in here. A lot more adjustability with this kit. You actually have heim joints on the end here, which you can adjust everything right here for your camber. So instead of up top, it's going to actually adjust at the lower portion. And these are actually the arms that the HPD Honda race team actually used, that RV6 made for them. So these are going on our 11th gen Civic. We'll have an install video. I'm revamping the whole suspension on the car. These are actually going to be repowder coated on our green color because we don't offer, we don't like the red on our personal shop car. But you can buy these on our website. We've got them in stock. They fit all different Civic model for 10th and 11th gen. Doesn't matter what engine you have. They also work on the Type R. Still need to verify the Type S, but most likely they should work on the Type S, as most of all the suspension is identical to the FK8 and FL5. But yeah, really sturdy. We're gonna get some weight on these when we take off the stock one so I can see the weight difference. We're redoing the car with custom drag coilovers from Silvers and some other suspension tweaks. We're gonna do the RV6 anti-lift for the front. So we're gonna take the whole suspension off the car in one go and redo it. Probably in September, October timeframe, and then hit the track. Just finishing up the last mods that we need to try and get the best possible times. Anyways, just wanted to show you guys this product up close and in person, and hope you guys like it. Have a good weekend.